my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
We are going ultra glam, little black dress, autumn, whatever you want to call it. We're going all in on just focusing on a bit of bling. So my nails obviously all done, acrylic popped on and filed and shaped. So I'm coming in with black. This is from the Prophecy range, and this is Dove. This is, is it Dove?
It's
Crow. Because I knew the minute that came out of my mouth, I was like, no, it isn't. It's because I use Dove a lot. Dove is the white one.
Dove is a
Crow.
white. It's a grey white.
It's the white.
Isn't it?
It's the bright white. And Crow is the black. Right, so pop that in the lamp for me, please. So we're going to do 2 coats of Crow and then get some sexiness going on. I've not told Sam what I'm doing yet, so there's going to be a lot of gasping and oh my god, oh my god.
You get that anyway, just even when you open, anytime you open a pot of glittery
I open
gel.
anything and you're like, oh my god.
I know she means business though, because the clear aura gel's out.
Yeah, pretty crystals. The pretty crystals are coming to play today. Right, so second coat. I mean, these are super pigmented anyway, but obviously with your black, you've got to be so careful with your application. Keep it really nice and thin, otherwise it'll just bubble. So 2 thin coats. Okay, chuck that in, please, Sam.
Cracking black though.
Oh, that was my tummy. Oh, right, so we got 2 coats of our black down. I'm using the clear aura gel. This one. This is just to adhere some of the crystals onto. So we only need a small amount. Maybe like this. So I'm going to pop this mostly on at the top. Dip in your brush in your slip solution, and we're going to thin this out. I always put too much of this on. So nice even thickness, maybe about 2/3. Oh, let's get in shot, shall we, Lisa? About 2/3 of the way down the natural nail. And then I'm going to blend this out so it's nice and smooth. What do we put on top of this, Sam?
Crystals.
No, can you remember what we did before with crystals?
Oh, your top coat.
Top coat. What kind of top coat?
The no white top coat.
Wrong! Mixing it up. So yeah, we normally do the non-white top coat. However, we are using the Velvet Alchemy. So this is your matte top coat that has got gold sparkle in it. Look at that. So I actually prefer this when it's glossy. So if you do, obviously you'll just cure it and then pop a gloss top coat over the top. But we're going to leave this one matte. Do you know why we're going to leave this one matte, Sam?
Because you're putting all the crystals on.
Putting all the freaking crystals on. Right, I can't find it. I've got a little triangular tray somewhere. I cannot find it, so I'm just using one of my lids. And what crystals are we going to use, Sam?
If you're using one of them trays, you're going for caviar beads, aren't you?
I'm going for micro crystals. Look at these bad boys. Black and gold. Let me show you them. Let me get them out.
Why is it everything you say to me today brings a song to my head?
Black and gold.
Yeah.
That one. Look. Oh my god, look at that.
Can I just dip my face in it?
Yes. Are we going to add it to our cuticle oil bath?
Yeah, that might get a bit rough though. I suppose we could
Still
use it
beautiful.
for exfoliation.
Right, so I'm going to keep this quite dense up at the top. So I'm going to keep the nail tilted down and just slowly tap these on. All the ones that don't stick will fall onto the tray so that we don't waste them. But I want it really quite dense at the top. And then we can just have 1 or 2 falling down. Like so. Right, so before we set this in the lamp, we need to press these crystals into that aura gel. And obviously if you've got any that are really sticking in at the cuticle, we can move them in and onto the nail. So what I'm hoping to achieve here with this is the super sparkly crystals that will then contrast so nicely with the matte top coat. Right, let's let you have a look at that, because it's need a bit of extra light. Oh no, I thought I'd knocked the nail, then I hadn't. We're all right. A little bit of extra light so you can really see how sparkly that is. Right, let me, I think I did knock that a little bit, so let me just...
No, that's the sparkly top coat.
Oh, poo over here. That's all right. That's fine. It's okay. Let's get the right one, Lisa. Good eye, Sam. I never would have twigged. That'll do it. It was just on that bottom bit anyway. Just knocked it a little bit. Right, shall we throw it in the lamp, see what happens? Okay, let's have a look. Right, where's me? Maybe lint-free wipes. Dave did send me some new lint-free wipes, but I've put them in a safe place. And we all know what happens with these safe places. Yes, I think a little bit of that. Can you see a little bit of that glossy top coat has stuck through? So I might have to go back over that ever so. Oh, I like that though. Do you like that?
I can't really see.
You have a look. Take it away and have a good look at it.
I do like that.
I messed up with the top coat at the end though, so obviously I don't want to be adding too much glitter, any more glitter to this, but we want to get rid of that little bit of shininess that I ballsed up. I can say that, can't I? Can I say I ballsed it up?
Who knows?
I have done. I've said it.
It's not me swearing this time, Dave. I've been a good girl.
I reckon I can get away with saying that. Maybe not all the time, but this should sort it out. Oh, I like that. I like the sparkle and the matte and the gold. That's like black tie event nails, isn't it? Yeah.
Which we got those start coming up in the winter, don't they?
Ugh. Mentioned that W word around me. Right, I'm coming in with the bubble gum. That's better. Look at that. You can see it. That looks better now. Get a little bit of cuticle oil on here. And there you go. I need some better light, because I can't really see this under that light, can you?
Get your torch out.
Oh yeah. Duh. Move that out of the way. There you go, guys. Oh, you can see it now.
I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.